Hey everyone, welcome back to new content of Cybroses. In today's video, we will discuss about automation asset management. Automation provides a robust feature for automating asset management, streamlining process and improving efficiency. And here is how you can leverage automation in Auto18 for asset management. When you validate a vendor bill with a fixed asset account specified, Odoo can automatically create the corresponding asset. This eliminates manual data entry and ensures accuracy. Now let's dive into the accounting module. In the accounting module, you can just move on to the configuration and let's create the model for asset. So under the configuration, you can find the accounting. As you just drag down here, you can see we can find the management and let's choose the model over here. So you can see that I have already created a model, that is the name of the asset is the laptop iBook, and you can also give different methods like straight line, declining, then straight line and all. And here we can also provide the duration of these assets, and we can also choose different computations like no pro rata, constant period based on days per period and all. Once that's done, we have to provide certain details like the accounting, the company under which this asset management belongs to. And we can also provide the fixed asset account as well as depreciation account. In case of asset, we know it's a fixed asset. So we have to use the depreciation account as fixed asset itself. Now, as you just move on to the internal link of this, you can find the accounting tab as well as automation tab. And under this automation tab here, you can see that we can manage the assets, automate the assets. Like whenever the bill is created and validated, we can create the asset in draft or we can just create it in running state. So once this is done, you can set the asset model and all. Like if you want to manage, just imagine that you have multiple assets. So if you want to manage multiple assets differently, you can provide the name of the asset model over here and you can also enable manage items over here. So this would let you to manage multiple items. Okay. So for the time being, let me save this and let's move on to the laptop iBook. And under the expense account, we can also provide the expense account and this will be marked under the journal miscellaneous operation. Once everything is done, let's move on to the accounting. And when you just create the asset, when you just create and validate the vendor bill, the asset will be automatically created over here. Now let's move on to the vendor bill and we have to create a bill over here. Now let me click on new button in order to create a bill where I'm going to provide the details like the vendor as Ori Peterson, and let's provide the bill date which is 29 of today, and that is the date of today. And afterwards we just need to provide the product which is laptop. So let's provide the product. Now when you just fill out the details of the product here, you just need to make sure that you have provided the proper account. As we are just dealing with the asset management, we have to use the account accordingly. So here you can see that I have used the fixed asset account and I'm going to manage with one quantity. Okay, and we have just used the creation of the asset, the automation in asset creation in draft state. Now let me confirm my bill. So as I just confirm the bill here, you can see that the asset will be created over here, which will be in draft state as we just use the automation likewise. Now you can see that the non depreciable amount, everything is given over here, and you can find all other details over here. Now, if you want to just get the computations, you can also get the computation from this section. And when you just click on compute depreciation, you can find the depreciation board over here. So we will be discussing the calculation of asset management through another video. In this video, we will be only dealing with the asset automation. Okay. Now again, we know we have the other automation. Like we can just create the um, automation of the asset in the running state. So if you want to do so, let's move on to the model that we have recently created, that is the asset model. And under the account, we just need to change the automation as, here you can find that we can just choose create and validate. Okay, so whenever the bill is validated or confirmed, you can say that the asset will be automatically created in its running state. Okay. Now, once this is done, what I'm going to do is that I'm going to create another bill. And let's click on new, and I'm going to fill out the details over here. And I would like to choose the vendor Anita Oliver. And let me try to set the, yeah, let me try set the bill date over here. And once that's done, the next step is that we have to choose the product. So always ensure that you have provided the proper product, because when you just create a model for one of the product and when you just use the other product, the asset won't be applied over there. Now we also just need to give the fixed asset account over here, and I would like to provide the asset quantity as 2. So as we just want to manage the items, here you can say that whenever we confirm the bill, 2 assets will be created over there. See, we can separately manage that. So you can see 2 assets are created over there, which are in running state. Okay. Now, as I just opened this here, you can see that the asset is created 1 of 2, and you can find every details over here, which will be in draft state, because in the automation we have set likewise that is to create and validate. Okay, so if you want to just modify, we can just go with modify depreciation, or we can just save this as a model. And if we want to just make further changes, we can also do so. Okay, so for the time being, I want to just go with this, as so we have just validated. So that's how we just deal with the automation of asset management in Odoo 18. So if you want Odoo customizations or Odoo tutorial videos, feel free to contact Cybroses. As always, stay awesome and thank you for watching the video.